Okay, hi traders, Richie Jackson here again. Let's now talk about the significance of moving averages. Okay, now in the FX market, there are a certain set of moving averages that have a very significant importance. Okay, so they are, let's put them on. They are the 200 period moving average. Okay, if we look at the 200 period moving average, let's go to a daily, right? We can see that it has a fair amount of significance to it, meaning that it can be used as support and resistance. Okay, so even if we drill down to other time frames, those moving averages will continue to have significance. Okay, in here, in there, in here, in here, here. Okay, we find that price will tend to use moving averages, or these particular moving averages, as support and resistance lines. Okay, so the first one is the 200 period moving average. The next one is the 100 period moving average. Let's change the color. So, not that you can see it that well, but there's the 100 period moving average, and we can see here there is lots of significance in there. Okay, significance in here. Alright. Okay, between the goalposts on this one, so the 2 and the 100 period moving average. Now, no, I'm not making this up. I've been doing this for many years. I've heard a lot of very big traders always talking about the 100, 200, and the 50 period moving average. Let's change the color to blue, like a dark blue or something. There we go. Alright, now we can see that these moving averages all have some sort of significance in the market. Now, if we take our 200 period moving average on a 1 hour chart, and we move over to a 4 hour chart, that will be the 50 period moving average, because it divide 200 by 4, multiply 1 hour by 4, they are the same moving average, okay, on the different time frames. So that's why and obviously 1 day is divisible by 4 nicely. So one daily, 4 hour, 1 hour will all have significant playing areas around those moving averages. Okay, there's one other moving average that I do like to put on there. It's the 25. Okay, when you get nice steep trends, the 25 period moving average usually has a little bit more effect. Let me change the color of that, because that's very hard to see. Let me make it dim grey. Okay, so there you go. Alright, so you can see that these are the significant moving averages. Now, if we accompany them with our trend lines, and we accompany it with our Fibonacci, then we're kind of getting to a space where we're looking at what other people are looking at. Okay, a lot of big fund managers, big banks all use these moving averages. We all know that if we get a 200 period moving average crossed with a 50 period moving average on the Dow Jones Industrial Average, it's in the upside in a bull market, that it signifies a bull market. That's called a golden cross, and if it signifies if it crosses down, it's called a death cross, which signifies a bear market. So all of these moving averages have a fairly large significance. Okay, so they're the ones that we use, and you can see how we use them as support and resistance areas. Okay.